Hey, this is Meenakshi Srivastava and welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Boho Voyage. And today I'm going to show you a very beautiful and unique life-saving architectural style of the Himalayas of India. This is made of only wood and stones, but can keep one warm even in the harshest winters of the mighty Himalayas. This architectural style is called the Kath Kuni. Very famous in the Himachal Pradesh part of India, these Kath Kuni homes are an architectural marvel. Kath Kuni is a style of construction that has been used in the region for more than hundreds of years. In fact, the Nagar Castle, or if I say in the local language, Nagar Castle of Himachal, was built in the 1460 AD by Raja Seet Singh of Kullu, Himachal Pradesh. Kath Kuni architecture involves using locally sourced materials such as stone, timber and mud to create a distinctive style of architecture. Kath is derived from the Sanskrit word kasht, meaning wood, and kuni from the word kona, meaning corner. In Kath Kuni homes, usually the ground floor is for the kettles during winters, middle is for the kitchen, while the top floor is for the family, as explained to me by a local Himachali. The wood mainly used is from the trees abundantly grown in the Himalayas like walnut trees, pine trees, cedar trees, deodar trees, etc. With many typical ancient structures having survived tectonic tremors, the resilience of the Kath Kuni structures lie in the flexibility of dry masonry and alternate layers of wood beams without any cementing material. The walls are made of stones and timber woods alternatively. Kath Kuni structures have double walls for stability as well as insulation. The space between these walls is filled with stone, rubble and hay inside and often outside. Walls are covered with a layer of mud plaster, and that's it, giving these structures excellent insulation even during the heavy snowfall season. During winters, the Himalayan part of India experiences extreme cold, heavy snowfall, and not to mention in many Indian villages as well as Himalayas of India, the central heating is still not an option. Sometimes even there is no electricity for days when the area is covered in heavy snowfall. But fortunately, the many years old architectural wisdom saves the people of Himachal from the harsh winters through this Kath Kuni architectural style. The style of construction involves using interlocking wooden beams and mud-plastered stones to create the walls of the home, which helps to make the homes sustainable, earthquake-resistant, as well as environment-friendly. Kath Kuni houses have excellent insulation. Their double walls and mud plaster enables them to retain the precious warmth even in the extremes of Himalayan winter and keep the homes cool during summers. Also, the people keep collecting woods in the summers like the good old days and save them for the harsh snowy winters and use them to warm the home during the winter season when commuting around is not a very easy option. These Kath Kuni homes along with the lit tandoors in winters make the Himalayan winters pretty comfortable. So much that even if the temperatures outside are in minus, one can live inside in just a t-shirt, hence making the Himalayan winters very comfortable. Not to mention, all naturally just using the ancient ancestral wisdom. Kath Kuni houses offer unparalleled insulation against the extreme cold of the Himalayan winters, and not just that, it is this combination of natural wisdom and practical know-how that makes life in the Kath Kuni homes a true comfort along with cozy, even in the depths of the Himalayan winters. Apart from this, one of the most striking features of the Kath Kuni homes, as you would have already noticed, is their intricate wooden carvings. And these, by the way, are all handmade. The skilled artisans of the region create beautiful designs and patterns on the wooden beams, doors and windows, which adds to the aesthetic appeal of the homes, giving them just the right amount of boho vibes. And every time you enter one such architecture, you're hit with immense peace, making you want to stay here forever. The Kath Kuni homes of Himachal Pradesh are not just unique and beautiful, but also an example of sustainable architecture. They are a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage and the ingenuity of Himachali people, and hence also becomes a favorite of anybody who visits Himachal even once. So this was all about the Himachali Katkuni homes, and also one of the reasons why I love Himachal so much, and I'm sure this is also the reason that you love Himachal so much if you ever visited Himachal. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I request you to share this video with as many people that you can so that they can also know about the rich heritage of India. And don't forget to come connect with me on Instagram at @mybohovoyage. All the links are in the description box below, and I'll see you next time with another travel vlog or inspiring explorers interview. Till then, take care and goodbye.